Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Bolex Repair Philippines. Welcome to installment number 4 of a CLA on a Bolex D8L. So we're going to have to get the image much more clearer, get that haze out of there, so we have to start removing the turret and the other parts of the camera here to get it more of a clear, viewable image. Alright? So, let's get started. Okay, so remove the front of the camera, and here's where part of the problem lies. Very, very dirty. Indeed. Still more to go. With the front of the camera here. Start removing cleaning with some soap and water. That's part of the glass. Extremely filthy. Cleaning all the dirt, removing it. Okay, starting to get into the deeper inner part here. And just about proceed further, and inside is a lot of dirt and haze, all located deep inside. To get in there and clean it to have a total viewable image. So we get a good indication of what's going on when we start filming. And as you can see, we got a long way to go still. So this camera, this Bolex D8L, is completely filthy. And then reassemble. Alright, hope you've enjoyed this 4th installment of a CLA on a Bolex D8L. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a like on my videos. Thanks a bunch, and bye-bye.